What does a virtual conference do? Well, you're going to find out on August 31st, Thursday. You're absolutely going to see what a virtual conference will do for you. You want to sell more homes, you want to make more money without giving up your personal life to do it? Well, listen, right now, the real estate market is kicking real estate agents, the majority of them, in the butt. Like, they're getting their butts kicked right now. And for good reason, too. Most of them laid up. They did not implement, they didn't work on growing their business. They sort of rode the wave during COVID. Now it's normalized, right? So in my real estate career, of 25 years, let's see, the interest rates hovered right around the high sevens, and the average selling price was much lower. And the average days on the market for a property to sell was between 45 and 70 days throughout my entire career. So, and I was able to sell 500 homes a month, 500 homes a year. 500 a month would be great, but 500 a year with this system, okay? And the commissions were always high. Buyers 3.5+% with transaction fees, sellers. You guys know the story. I sold my real estate business in April of 2009. We walked out of that thing. The average commission on listings was 8%. So, and that is with this system that you have in your hand right now that needs to get better utilized. But what parts need to get pulled out, put to the front of the line, and get implemented right now for you to sell more homes and make more money without giving up your personal life to do it? Like, what is it? That's August 31st. That's a virtual conference. We start at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You get Craig Proctor, you get myself, and you got a panel of the top, you got a panel of the top real estate professionals on planet Earth, 7-figure income earners, and then some, that are going to be working with you and showing you exactly what to do and how to get it done right now so you can get more customers, use the customers that you get to get more customers, implement the right processes and the right marketing that works without your constant involvement so you can have predictable flow, predictable closings, and more income. Come on. August 31st, that's Thursday. You got to block this day out, and you got to come in with us. Like, we can't sell the houses for you. If we could, we would. Trust me. We want more for you, okay? We don't want anything from you. We want more for you. So we put this day together to do just that, okay? Plus, as a big bonus, we've got a big conference coming up in October. And this conference coming up in October, it's going to be amazing. This is the 100 Craig Proctor Super Conference. And it's going to be extra special, all right? But everyone who's on this virtual conference, they're going to be well ahead. They're going to be prepared. So you're going to show up in October being at this virtual meeting that we're doing on Thursday from 10 a.m. To 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Everybody who shows up for this is going to be better prepared mentally and physically to take advantage of what you're going to be seeing. You're going to be a step ahead, okay? And you know what? You need that competitive advantage. Your competitive advantage is implementation. The majority of real estate agents, they're going to do crap. They're not going to implement nothing. Nothing. 87% of everybody getting their license today is done. They're out of the business 5 years from now. So your competitive advantage is what you do, not your like selling real estate, what you do, but your implementation routine. That is your competitive advantage. That's August 31st, the virtual conference, getting prepared for the October event coming up, the 100th Craig Proctor Super Conference. Are you ready? All right, well, good. So that's just, this video is just a little reminder of it. And I'm going to get back to work here. I got my computer geared up here. I've got my lights on. Where they at? I got my lights on. I got lights everywhere so that I can do my Zoom meetings, help people get rich. That's what I do on a daily basis. I walk into this little office, walk in through those doors, come right in here to this little studio I got set up. I sit down, I get on meetings, and my job is to help you sell more homes and make more money, better utilizing this system that has been handed to you on a silver platter, okay? It is the number one plan and system for going from real estate agent to super profitable business in half the time that you can do it on your own. But it does require showing up and doing the implementation, right? So we're gonna help you with that, and you're gonna be grateful. So, and we're grateful that you're gonna be there at the virtual conference. All right, enough for me. We'll see you then, 10 a.m. Eastern time. What is that, 7 o'clock on the West Coast? Is that right? Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. 7 a.m. on the West Coast, Okay, we're going to get started. Plan to be all day. Okay, we'll probably wrap it up maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern time. So that's around noon on the West Coast. And all right, I've used up my 5 minutes here. So let's get to work. See you then. Go serve big. Thanks.